I got angry at something that you did. My fear got the best of me. All that's left is regret. You told me you've been hurt before, and that's the reason why you don't believe in love anymore. And I know that things don't go the way like they do in the movies, but with you holding me, I swear nothing should have changed. Let it stay the same. We'll be dancing in the rain. So keep me warm in this cold. So keep me tight. I know our future's untold. So just look at me with those golden green eyes, and I know that it's scary and easier to live in lies, but you can't go on all alone fearing love. When it's staring you in the face, it's hard to get rid of. So give me the chance to say yes, I will. Holding each other, time stood still. And maybe that makes me different. Maybe that makes me weird to say holding you made my thoughts grow clear. So when my friends try to drag me away again, I'll say I'm right where I need to be, dancing in the rain. So hold me tight in this cold. You don't need to hold back. You don't need to be strong. Just know that I'm here if you wanna move on from being alone. So dance with me in the rain. I don't need the money or all of the fame, as long as I've got these moments with you. So ask me again and I'll know what to do. I'll be dancing with you in the rain. So let our lives go by like those romance movies you made. So just know this time I'll stay.